have the camera on. We're doing Silver Star here at Europa Park. We're doing Horizon Lock, and this is Sarah's first ever hypercoaster.
Yes.
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Oh,
What did you say?
nice one. Nice one.
I'm sitting between two that are very nervous, and the one next to that, he's very excited. So he's like me, he's like a baby, and it's gonna be so much fun. Wow. Is it tall, Sarah?
Wow.
We're not at the top yet. Why don't you take a look? Take a look. Ah, here we go. My first ever ride in Silver Star, and here goes the first drop. Wow! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow! Oh, that is so good! Wow! And this is a fantastic roller coaster. I was not ready for that one. Wow. Woo. Woo. Oh. That is one great roller coaster. Wow.
That was amazing.